Hi, I'm Akash. I'm a project manager at Oryx doors. Here we are to install an Inatham front door. We are scheduled to start the installation at 9 a.m. and it's 8:55 now. Here comes the CIV.
Not only do we supply the very best the world has to offer in folding doors, sliding doors, entrance doors, motorized doors, windows, and insect screens, but our installation service is second to none. We arrive on time with all frames and glass ready and waiting so that we can cause as little disruption to our customers as possible. Our customized installation vehicles are equipped with everything that our teams need for the job to make our installation as lean as possible.
Here is our team. Dennis is our team leader. As you can see, they are in full PPE, helmets, vest, gloves, and safety shoes. Let me introduce them to the customer.
We have studied installation processes and have SOPs for Dubai to ensure that our doors and windows survive some of the harshest weather conditions on the planet. Top quality silicons, expanding forms, stainless steel fixing screws are included in our material selection. Gaps are filled to help improve acoustic properties.
Hi, I'm Karon. I'm a technical manager at Oryx.
Our technical managers who have been trained on what looks good regularly visit installation sites to inspect work progress, provide guidance, and ensure quality. Our installers are trained in our own academy. They are timed on how long they take to install each type of product, and their work is checked for quality. We have standard operating procedures to protect our team and the environment they work in. We continually look to improve our process, updating SOPs, improving our equipment, and modifying our training. With 14 installation teams, this is a never-ending process as we strive for perfection. Once a week, the CIVs return to the base for their pit stop. All accessories and tools are checked. The toolboxes and trolley mechanism is tested. First aid box, PPE, oil levels, tires, and everything else we can think of are inspected to make sure we are never caught out on site, wasting time, materials, or any valuable resources. Typically, we install 3 or 4 times faster than any other company, and this together with our amazing service leads to happy customers and a 4.9 star Google rating.